Hey guys, this is the knife I got off Sharper Deals, the auction site, and it's a Rizzuto 9-inch swing guard, Rizzuto Estileto Milano. The safety is really tight. It's extremely tight for how old it is. The blade sits in pretty far, and it's centered pretty good. And here's how it fires. The blade has been sharpened a lot. It's not too bad, but you can tell it's been sharpened. Right there it says stainless steel Japan, and guards are pretty tight, and the scales are in great condition. There's a tad bit of little dirt in here you can clean off. I could probably clean that off. It's not rust, it's just dirt. There's the bail. And really nice. Right here it does say Rizzuto Estileto Milano, but it's hard to see. It's easy to see in person, but on the camera it's hard to see. It's kind of faded away a little bit, I guess, where the blade has been just aging. But right here, it's easy to see that where it says stainless steel Japan. But right here, you can see it. It's fine in person, but it's kind of hard to see where it says Rizzuto Estileto Milano. And the bolsters and scales, they're really nice. Great condition. It's a push button, open and close. So you press the button right here, close it. Sits in really nice. Push up the lock, and it's really powerful. It doesn't slide down. You have to actually put force on it. And here's another opening it. It's a great knife. It's just going to be sitting in my collection. I really like it. The scales are nice. The aged brass button is really nice. Overall, it's 9 inches. 8 3/4, not including the bail. Including the bail, it's 9 inches. I think I'll be collecting these because I actually really enjoy having this. It's a really nice knife. Bayonet blade. I'm trying to get one with a swedge flat grind blade with the batwing guards, but they're a little bit more expensive. I got this off the auction for about $100. I think exact cost was probably about $120. Opens extremely fast. It's really tight, not loose at all. It's perfectly straight. Nice blade. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I'll probably be buying some more of these on the auction. Thanks for watching.